Okay guys, kain tayo. Meron kami dito ano, sinaing na talaketok. Is that what it is? At saka pusit. Mabigat. Ayan, hipon. Ayan yung pusit. Ito yung sisig. Ayan, ang sarap. Tapos yan ang kinilaw. Siyempre, may kanin. Yan. Do you want pusit na to? I wanna try this one first. What do you think? You like it? Sisig? Ito ay sinasabi nila sinaing na isda. Okay naman siya, para siyang paksiw lang. Parang pinaksiw lang na isda. I like it, yeah. I'm just saying it's nothing special, it's just like paksiw. Yung asawa ko mahilig sa hipon. My husband doesn't know how to peel the hipon before I met him. I taught him how to peel the hipon. Am I right?
Yeah.
He doesn't really know how to eat seafood before I met him.
Big mussel. Fish. Oyster.
You want to try this one, the fish? Or you want to try
I'll
the fish first?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll have this. Dito pala kami guys sa may ano, isa sa mga tawag dito, restaurant sa hotel. Masarap naman pagkain nila, kaya alam ano, mostly Filipino. Siguro yung may-ari nito dito Filipino. What do you think? I think the owner of this is Filipino. Because most foods are Filipino.
This is supposed to be Filipino restaurant.
Yeah, even at the bar. You know, the bar food and the full bar food,
Yeah.
also Filipino. What do you think?
It's like cherries kind of flat.
It really is like paksiw only. They just changed the name. Pero kung totoo, yung paksiw lang yun. We better eat the hipon. You want to do the hipon? What do you think about? Look guys. Hipon.
Pork.
You want it?
Half one.
Okay. Pagpa-social ka guys, gagamitin mo pag tawag dito. Pag balat ng hipon is ganito. Pero pagka hindi ka social, kamayin mo na, mas masarap pa. Right, Marco?
Yeah.
The head, no, it's empty in it. So, yan. Pagka, ganito tinuruan ko yung asawa ko kung paano magbalat ng hipon. Kasi ayaw niya nagkakamay. Mas gusto niya yung ganito. Pati mga, even Jimmy, sana. Oh, Jimmy, he like to peel the hipon by his hand. Doesn't like fork and knife. Not really a press hipon.
No?
Your orders is complete.
Okay.
Their food po.
Thank you. You can tell it's not fresh because look at the head, it's empty. Alam nyo guys, kung di lang nakakahiya, gusto ko magkamay. Sarap kumain na lang kakamay. Tapos yung ulam mo, seafood.